In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Squarespace website remains private by walking you through a few simple steps. If you're looking to keep your site under wraps while you're making those final tweaks, or perhaps haven't quite launched yet, you're in the right place. We're starting today by heading over to Squarespace. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Squarespace's website address. This will take you to the home page where you can either sign in or create a new account if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard where you can manage all your site settings, content, and other important features. Next, draw your attention to the dashboard. You'll need to click on Settings. It's typically found in the menu on the left-hand side. Don't worry if this sounds a bit unfamiliar. The user interface on Squarespace is quite intuitive, so just take a moment to familiarize yourself with where everything is if you haven't accessed it before. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll want to choose Website from the submenu. Now that we're on the Website Settings page, what we're looking for is an option called Site Availability. By default, when you start a new website, it might not be set to private, which means it could potentially be visible to the public, even if it is just in its preliminary stages. To change this, click on Site Availability. You should see several options pop up, guiding you through different settings such as public, password protected, and of course private. We want to select Private. This option ensures that your website is not visible to anyone except you. It's the perfect way to keep everything under wraps until you're ready to share your site with the world. When set to private, only you and anyone you specifically invite to view the site will have access. This is crucial if you're still working on content, layout, or other elements and wish to have complete control over when it's viewed publicly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your site's availability settings to private. You can now confidently continue to work behind the scenes without your site being visible before you're ready. This simple yet effective measure allows you to develop, enhance, and perfect your site with peace of mind, knowing it's safe from prying eyes until you're ready for launch. If at any point you decide that you're ready to share your site with a select group of people, you can choose the password protected option, granting access only to those with the password until you decide to switch to public. But for now, as we wrap up this walkthrough, you've got the tools to keep your site completely private until it's ready for the grand unveiling. Happy developing!